And today I'll be recovering what's inside of this package. A 16 gigabyte Lexar. It has some indents here on the package. Looks like maybe the dog bit it or something. I don't know what else it could be. Let's get it underneath the microscope and see what the damage is like. This is our 16 gig unit, and first thing that needs to be done here really is just it needs to be opened up. If this device is not recoverable, I'm gonna suspect that the memory component got fractured because of these indents here. I mean, it's hard to say if this is teeth marks. I'm just saying teeth marks is as unusual as it may sound. This is actually a very, very common thing that we get asked about, because dogs and kids like to get a hold of these memory cards and chew on them. So apparently the content on there is also wetting related, and I don't know if this is something that we will be able to restore or not, but a lot of it will depend on the state of this bottom chip that I'm gonna see in about a second. Luckily, maybe I spoke too soon. Yeah, we're good. Well, pretty good turnout.
for the day. We had an emergency case, so a lot of work had to be backed up a little bit, around 4 hours it took me to get that out of my plate, and things got shifted quite a lot. That's not something I was expecting, so that's why this video is coming out late. But it's still coming out today. We're still on track, and the mix will have to be removed tomorrow. I just simply did not have time today to finish it up. But both chips were read, both chips are ready to go, and just a little bit of management has to be done inside of the software to build that virtual simulator of the controller and run those dumps so that we can get to the logical image at the end and get those files out of there. Thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate all of the support that you guys been showing me lately. It's really, really, really motivating and makes me want to keep going with this, even though it is a little bit of work. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and hit that notification button if you have not done that already. It will help you to get notified every time the video drops. Hopefully the one will be tomorrow. I just shot a video for Rosewood, and I got a couple of other things lined up for editing. Editing so far for me is the most challenging thing, because like I can recover a case within an hour and a half, but it'll take me like 3 hours to make a video for it. Not exactly 3 hours, but like organize my thoughts, figure out how I want to plan everything out and how I want it to appear, that kind of stuff. So I hope you're with me. See you tomorrow.